In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join voice call on Discord. If you're new to Discord or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the essentials in a simple, friendly way. We'll keep things straightforward. You'll head to the server you want, then join the voice channel. Along the way, I'll explain what you're seeing on screen so everything makes sense. First, open Discord on your computer or phone. On the left side, you'll see a vertical list of server icons. These are the communities or groups you're part of. Click or tap the server that has the people you want to talk to. Inside that server, channels are organized in a list, often grouped by categories. Text channels usually have a hashtag icon and are for messages. You're looking for the voice channels, which typically have a small speaker icon next to their names. They might be labeled things like general, day, chill, or gaming, depending on how the server is set up. Now, simply click on the voice channel you want to join. If you have permission, Discord will connect you right away. You'll see a confirmation at the bottom of the app that shows you're connected to that specific voice channel. You may also notice your avatar appear in the channel's member list. And if you speak, a subtle highlight around your profile will light up, showing your voice is being transmitted. That's a good sign everything is working. On some devices, your system may ask for access to your microphone the first time you join a call. This is normal. If you can hear others but they can't hear you, it usually means your mic needs access or you've muted yourself in the app. That's all there is to it. You go to the server you want, then click the voice channel to join. If you don't see the channel or you click it and nothing happens, it's likely a permission setting controlled by the server's admins or moderators. In that case, reach out to a server moderator or check if the channel is limited to certain roles. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. Choppy audio often points to network issues rather than Discord itself. Finally, keep basic voice etiquette in mind. Speak clearly, be mindful of background noise, and mute yourself when you're not talking in busy rooms. You're now ready to hop into a Discord voice call with confidence. Enjoy your conversations and have fun connecting with your community.